How to change language on TD Bank app. Did you know TD Bank supports French, English, and traditional Chinese? So, how can you go ahead and change it then? For this, you have to open your phone setting because the language depends on your device language. From here, go ahead and search for the option of language. Then tap on the suggestion shown by your device. Right here in your language preference, go ahead and tap on it to gain access. Right here, tap on add a language and go ahead and add the language that you prefer. Since it accepts French and traditional Chinese, we recommend you either to add French language or go ahead and add a traditional Chinese. Now, once you do that, what you have to do is to give it a preference, drag the second language to the first one. Once you do this, your device will be reset to adjust with the language setting. Just like that, let me go ahead and show you an example. As you can see, my device is being reset. Now all you have to do is simply go ahead and open a TD Bank and enjoy the bank and its experience in your own language. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.